What's going on, guys? Joe back today with another video. Today we're going to look at how to reset our service light on the iDrive 8. So first thing we'll do, get the car, we'll press the stop start button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That'll turn the electronics on and then should pop into diagnostic mode. Perfect. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. This button, we're going to press and hold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Again, we don't want the car on. There we go. Perfect. So now we're all good to go. That's on. And you just cycle through with your BC button, which is over here in your turn signal stock. When you want to reset something, you press and hold on it. Give it a second and release. Now it'll say reset. And then to reset it, obviously this one doesn't need it, so we're not going to do it, but you just press and hold. It'll go through a bar, and then you'll be all good to go. And then just shut your car off, restart it, and everything will work. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.